So, like I was saying, you stood out as a skateboarder by how you rode, right? That was your style. Like a musician, they all played, everybody played the same instrument, but everybody had their own way of playing. Everybody rode a different way, and that became your thing. Like you rode differently than that person, and thus you had, different tricks that you could do that he or she couldn't. Um, so around this time, in about like the 70s, early 70s, it was the worst drought on record in Southern California. Um, it was so bad you weren't allowed to water your lawns. You weren't allowed to use excess water of any kind. They didn't even serve water in the restaurants. You had to specifically ask for water, and even then, you may not even get water. Um, you know, Especially not with ice. So swimming pools were suddenly stopped being used because if you let your pool water sit for too long, um, with a pump running constantly, you're wasting a lot of water cleaning it. But if you don't do that, then your pool collects algae, and that's obviously an issue to clean later. Later, so to avoid that, people just stopped, just using their pools and just drained out all the water, which meant you had a lot of empty swimming pools. So suddenly, all these skaters were looking for hills and waves to ride. Suddenly now had all these empty swimming pools all around Southern California. Okay, well, here's a little video to explain that.